Okay, everyone, so today we are doing something a little different, and I'm going to show you what I have here. So first, forgive me with the glare. You saw the glare when I had the template on. Now, not so much. So when I put it back on, you may see the glare. I apologize for that beforehand. So what I have right here are two 10 by 10 canvases. I have them prepped. I am going to be doing a Dutch pour, but before I do that, I want to add a template because I want it to be a textured piece. So I am adding a template, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Here's my template. Can you see that? Yes. It's beautiful sequins. Love how this looks. But I decided that I don't want to do the whole. Do I want to do the whole? No, I don't want to do the whole template. So I am going to bring it down midsection. So midway, right there. Okay, so there we are, midway. And that's what I want to do. So I want to have texture midway on both canvases. And then I am going to do a Dutch pour around it with beautiful colors. So I have to do step one first. So I am going to go ahead and just tape that template down to hold it in place. That's where I want it. Yes. Okay, perfect. So we're just gonna tape it down first. There. And there. Ah, I don't want to cover any part of the template. No. So, there. Okay. Now, I do want to find a small cup or even the tape just to hold that in place so it's not pulling. Perfect. So that is what I want to do. And as I look, I see that I covered some at the top here. So let me just remove it and bring it lower. Right there. Just to hold it in place for me. Okay. So now that that is in place, I'm going to show you. I am using either a scraper, anything available. I also have my palette knives, makes it a little easier. And I am using this modeling paste, and this is Artist Loft, and I have to let it dry once I layer it down. So that's what we're doing first. And I think I'm gonna use my small palette knife just because it allows me to control it a little easier. Is on beautifully. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the tape, and I'm holding on so I don't want anything shifting. Perfect. Awesome. And now I'm going to separate these so I can clean the sides. Okay. And I'm just cleaning and wiping the sides down from these edges. Perfect. And I'm going to show you this one. Maybe you can, there it is. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Okay. And then with my finger, I'm just touching over. Beautiful. So there they are. And you can even have them this way. Check this out. It's a pretty one too. We'll see. But for now, this is what the intended. Okay, so beautiful. So I am going to let these beauties dry for a couple of minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll continue to work on this project. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me. So we're back for the second part. So as you can see, the template is already on the canvases. Look how beautiful it is. Now I'm just debating if I do a pour on here and I kind of fan it out like a starburst with white in the center and then coming up with the colors. I'm trying to decide what I do here. I wish I could hear you guys. I need some help because this is kind of a different kind of painting. So I'm going to turn this around so that the design can face me. That way I can decide what I want to do here. And then I'll show you guys. Okay. So there we are. And I'm thinking if I do white here and then do colors here and fan it out, and then I'll make this color, this be the centerpiece. I just don't know. Or if I do kind of like a flow, which is also something that I can do, kind of like something like that, and then branching off this way. Let's begin. I'm gonna flood the canvases white. So that's what I'm gonna start with. Perfect. I just wanted to make sure that I had my design showing through here. So we're going to go ahead and begin. And I'm using Winsor Newton, Winsor Blue by Winsor & Newton. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a flow. Okay. Something like that. We'll see what this turns out, or how it turns out. Next we have Ultramarine Violet by Amsterdam. It looks a little symmetrical, so I'm happy with that. Perfect. Next I have Pearl Ocean Blue by Arteza. Next I have 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. And last I have Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. I like the color palette. Very simple. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and torch out the air bubbles. And I'm gonna begin from here down and from here down, something just a little different. Let's love it. I really like how this looks. I'm gonna bring it back here a little bit. Just like that. Okay, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to do anything. I just want to see how this turns out. I'm gonna clean up my edges. We'll be right back. So here she is, and look how gorgeous the piece looks. Of course, once it dries, you can see the texture right there. That's gonna come through again, and I'll be able to finish it off. But I want to take you in so you can see the wings, basically. So let's go ahead and take a look at this petal. Look how gorgeous the colors look. Check out that webbing. Love it. Look how beautiful. And then look at that coating of the 24 karat gold. Love the reaction of the paints. And then it branches off into the second part here to the left. So we're going to continue on down with this petal. Love that green. The turquoise green and the blue just works beautifully. Again, a lot of lacing. See? A lot of webbing and some little cells. Love it. And look at you can see the texture coming through there. So that's why I didn't want to put too much where the texture was going to come through, because I want to, that's going to be the pop. Okay. So these are the two little pieces. Tell me how you like these. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any videos I post. Click the notification bell as well. And there it is. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me here today. Leave a comment. I'll see you. Bye.